swordfish class. This week we're learning about reptiles. I like to do a snake with you today, and snake starts with S. So we're going to make a S craft. You're going to need a printout, letter S, or you can ask mommy to draw it for you. We're going to need paint, some pom-poms, some pigs, Prit, a Koki to draw, and a scissor to cut. Okay, so first I'm going to cut on my lines all the way around to cut out the letter S. My letter S. I'm then going to take my pom-poms and put it on the pig, and then I'm just going to dip it into paint to make little dots and make my snake nice and colorful. Some red, and blue. Don't you think that looks nice? Okay, so then my snake is going to need eyes. How many eyes does a snake have? It has 2, so I'm drawing my eyes. A snake also got a tongue, so I'm going to cut out a tongue. And there you've got your snake. Make a Sammy snake and sing with me. Sammy snake says in words to sing all the time. Sammy snake says in words to sing all the time. Sing all the time. Sing all the sing words. Sing all the time.